Daily household activities. Make the bed. Make the bed. Vacuum the floor. Vacuum the floor. Mop the floor. Mop the floor. Wash the dishes. Wash the dishes. Dust all surface. Dust all surface. Sweep the floor. Sweep the floor. Iron the clothes. Iron the clothes. Do the cooking. Do the cooking. Lay the table. Lay the table. Clear the table. Clear the table. Load the dishwasher. Load the dishwasher. Empty the dishwasher. Empty the dishwasher. Do the laundry. Do the laundry. Hang up the clothes. Hang up the clothes. Feed the pets. Feed the pets. Tidy the house. Tidy the house. Walk the dog. Walk the dog. Mow the lawn. Mow the lawn. Take the rubbish out. Take the rubbish out. Do shopping. Do shopping. Water plants. Water plants. Polish the furniture. Polish the furniture. Wash the car. Wash the car.